Here are the things that I'd like to emphasize to everyone. The culture of Atomy. What are these? First, begin with observing principle. Most of us in this meeting in here, we are here to learn with curiosity, or maybe it was already explained to you, what is the opportunity, the good opportunity that we have in here in this business, right? But for now, we are here, observe from where? From others, from those people that are already doing this business. I get inspired on how I just really travel all over Belgium every day and share the business, share the product, share the benefits of the product. Last Sunday, we shared actually one of the best so far, right, personal testimonial of our members, consumers, that she really, really be thankful about Atomy, especially the Hemohem. So with us in here, growing together is one of the cultures of Atomy. Why? We share the knowledge to each other. We support each other. With us in here, we have Eri. Eri is right there and every Sundays to help us, to support us, including knowledge development, including consultation, advices, right? For us to learn more and updates of the business. Also with us in here is our, for me, Hendra is also join us today. So these are all the aspects that we have in the business. We share, we grow, right? And we help each other. So learn the business cultures. We know, we can see the business system, which is our shopping mall platform. We can see and how we can benefit from this business. We know about it and how much we can look forward for our future and the product benefits. But the best in this business in here is the culture. Observing principles, growing together, and the sharing factor. And I think this is the business that we can really, right, look beyond into the future.